Welcome back. Here with the news on and headlines today. It's the unending shame for the whole country and more so for the Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan. A Swiss national on tour with her husband was gang raped by 8 men in MP's Datia district. Although the accused have been arrested, the shocking case has once again dented Madhya Pradesh's image as an international tourist destination.
A Swiss national was gang raped in Datia district on Friday night. She and her husband were touring the state on a bicycle. They were accosted by a group of men, viciously attacked and robbed of their possessions. The woman was then gang raped by the men in the presence of her husband. The police have arrested 8 men in connection with the crime.
इस पर दतिया में अपराध कायम हुआ है संबंधित सेक्शंस ऑफ गैंग रेप डकैती क्योंकि उनका कुछ सामान भी इन्होंने लूट लिया है पति के साथ मारपीट हुआ तो मारपीट की सेक्शन भी लगी है
हमने उसके लिए विशेष टीम बना के लगाया और मुझे लगता है कि बहुत जल्दी रिजल्ट आ जाएगा
In a statement, the Swiss embassy has expressed shock over this outrageous incident and has directed the Madhya Pradesh government to swiftly punish all the guilty parties involved. The incident has sent shock waves across the state.
बलात्कार की घटनाएं मध्य प्रदेश के अंदर लगातार बढ़ती चली जा रही है। उज्जैन में कल एक बलात्कार हुआ, कल ही इंदौर के अंदर एक बस के अंदर बलात्कार हुआ और इसके बाद सरकार चुपचाप बैठी हुई सो रही है।
मैंने देखा है कि इन विदेशियों के साथ जो हो रहा है उस पर सरकार को बहुत ज्यादा ध्यान देना चाहिए। खास तौर से मैं बहुत दिनों से कह रही हूँ कि मध्य प्रदेश में क्राइम बहुत बढ़ रहा है महिलाओं के खिलाफ।
The latest assault on a foreign national has once again highlighted their vulnerability to sexual predators in India. Take a look at some of the recent high-profile cases reported. In 2003, the capital was shocked and shamed with gang rape of a 35-year-old Swiss diplomat inside her own car outside the venue of the International Film Festival in Delhi. The case remains unsolved. The most recent case is that of fugitive Vitti Mohanty, arrested last week in Kerala. After 7 years in hiding, he was convicted of raping a German national in Alwar in 2006. The 2008 case of sexual assault and murder of British teenager Scarlett Killing on the beaches of Goa still remains unresolved. And in 2010, a 25-year-old Japanese tourist was gang raped by 5 unidentified men at Bodh Gaya in Bihar. Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan has been a vocal advocate of capital punishment for rapists and has even raised the issue with the Justice Verma panel as a means to curb rising crimes against women. But clearly, precious little has been done in the state to ensure the safety of women. Bureau Report, Headlines Today.